Hi, I'm Tim. As you might know, power inputs and antenna ports are the most likely spots for electromagnetic disturbances to interrupt wireless transmissions. Today, we show why Moxa's dual isolation technology is essential for harsh environments. Deploying wireless devices on vehicles risks exposure to voltage instability, especially when you connect your wireless device to the same power supply used by motors. When the power is on, the inrush current generated by the motors can easily destabilize your wireless devices or even damage your equipment. For this test, we connected Moxa's AWK-A series and a motor to the same power supply. When the motor is turned on, it draws a large amount of current from the power supply, causing the system voltage to drop significantly. Let's start the test and keep an eye on the oscilloscope to see if the AWK-A series is effective. When the motor turns on, although the inrush current causes the voltage to spike and the power supply voltage goes down, the system voltage still remains stable. In this case, Moxa's AWK-A series will not be affected by the unstable voltage. Deploying wireless devices outdoors exposes them to potential interference or damage caused by electrical charges in the air. For example, a lightning bolt hitting a lightning rod can give rise to electrical charges in nearby metal objects, such as antennas and antenna cables. These kinds of unexpected electrical charges can interrupt your wireless system, leading to costly downtime. To avoid system downtime, antenna ports should be strong enough to resist electrostatic discharges. The next test compares Moxa's AWK-1131A and two other industrial-grade access points by transmitting video streams through the wireless links and displaying it on the video client. To complicate matters, our lab equipment generates different levels of electrostatic discharge to simulate open-air ESD. Let's proceed with the test and see which access points continue transmitting, even when exposed to high ESD levels. 4 ESD levels are tested, with all 3 devices surviving the effects of levels 1, 2, and 3. However, when exposed to the level 4 ESD, only Moxa's AWK-A series access point keeps operating normally. The other 2 industrial-grade access points fail to transmit the data stream. Moxa's AWK-A series is the only device of the 3 tested to keep transmitting through all 4 levels of electrostatic discharges. Moxa's AWK-A series products undergo a series of ESD tests to ensure that Moxa's proprietary dual isolation technology works as intended. It not only protects the power module from inrush currents, but it also protects the RF module from ESD attacks. The high level of device reliability exhibited by Moxa's wireless access point is just what you need to keep your wireless system up and running. Learn more about the AWK-A series on Moxa's website